Hey, it's me, Team Farrell, back from 3Skill with another small troubleshooting video for macOS users who want to install LipTalk audio converter on their system. Until now, it was not possible for me to create a working app or executable for macOS users. So we have to download Python, install Python, and we have to download the libraries and just do some copy and paste stuff, and then the LipTalk audio converter should work. So let's dive right away into this tutorial. So first of all, open your browser and navigate to 3dskill.com/shop, and there you can find the LipTalk audio converter. I use here at the moment this remote desktop thing. And down below here, please ignore these. This is just for Windows users. Ignore these two files here. Simply go to source code files, click download, and simply download the resource files. So hopefully you did that. And when we checked it out, I'm not a Macintosh user, it's a little bit difficult for me. As you can see in the downloads, we have this LipTalk resource files here. And there's also our model inside. But first of all, we have to install Python on our system. If you go into your terminal, open the terminal and check if you have Python already installed, simply type Python 3 version. As you can see, Python 3.11 is installed on my system. But in the case if it is not, simply open your internet browser, go to python.org and go to downloads, go to Python 3. You can try to download the latest, but I did that with Python 11.5. So I have to go to downloads and macOS and search for my 3.11.5 version. So here it is. So download this macOS Universal Installer. We go to downloads. As you can see, how is our package, macOS package. We double click it and we continue. Back here, continue, yes. Yes, we accept that. Install it. Yes, the password. Wait a minute. The password is 2137. Hopefully it was okay. We install it. Basically, I take the other package, but anyways, it works. Okay, we've installed Python 0.3 on our system, and we can delete this package here. And let's check it again here, Python 3 version. It's installed in our system. So, okay. But this was not everything. We have to open here. You can see our. Let's copy this folder, complete folder, to our desktop here. Okay, it's here. And what we now have to do is we first have to install the module which is needed for LipTalk to convert these things. So we have to open our terminal again, and then we type in pip install Allosaurus. Not fine. Okay, let me try pip 3 install Allosaurus. Okay, we have to type in pip 3. So he installs all the requirements for the module. And you have to install Python, that the Python files can run on your system. And then you also need globally the module which is needed for LipTalk to convert. So it's a kind of library. Yeah. Okay, everything is done. It works. And what we have to do now, we have to navigate to our Python installation. So open the Finder again. And let's navigate to our Python installation. I think it is in Programs. So first of all, we have to go to Mac. Yeah, okay, it's here in, let's see it, Macintosh. Oh, and here it is in Library. And then we have to go to Frameworks. We have to go to Frameworks. And then we have to Python Framework. Then we have to go to Versions, the 3.11 version. And here we have to go to Lib. And here we have to choose Python 3.11. And here we have to choose side packages. And here's the Allosaurus module installed, and all the modules which were installed globally into this folder. We have to open Allosaurus and simply go to our LipTalk source file and open it. And first of all, we have to do something here. We have to unpack this. So we click once and he has unpacked it. We can copy it here and create another folder. Call this folder pre-trained. Copy this folder, this model folder which you unpacked here from the zip file, from the model zip file, which is inside this. When you open it, you can see here all this stuff inside. Simply drag and drop it into the pre-trained folder. That's all you have. So this is the file structure. And now simply copy this folder into this Allosaurus folder. Yo, that's everything you have to do. Basically, you can delete this folder because it's already here inside this. We delete that. Okay, so our LipTalk audio converter. So we have here a WAV file. What you can do, you can simply copy this file to your desktop. I don't know if this copy works. I'm not a Macintosh user. No, he doesn't copy it. So let's copy this and paste it here. So this is our sample WAV file we have to convert. And these are the audio source files. We don't need that anymore. As this is with the license and the requirements. Okay. What we can do now, we cannot start with a double click, because then Xcode is opening with the source code. So we need to start this Python file with the Python launcher here. So what we have to do is simply right click and open it with, it's not English, sorry, open it with Python launcher 3.11.5, not the 2.7, 3.11. Launch it. Then he asks maybe something to do to start it always with this. You have to accept that. In this case, it works now. But give it all the permissions to start that. So here it starts. This looks pretty cool. What you have to, the buttons don't work properly, so we have it to work. To make that work, we have to click and then a little bit scrub a little sideways. And then he opens it, and then we can open the Italian mail normal. Hopefully it works. Then click the convert and scrub a little sideways and then converts. Hopefully it works. Yo, if there is finished shown, then it works. So here it shows a little bit a mistake in the console. because we need we use the old torch file here, the old settings for the torch file. So basically it works anyway. So if you open this JSON file, you can see you get the data and it works properly. But what you also can do, maybe you can, let's close this. What you can also do, you can maybe go to the Finder again and Macintosh library, file frameworks, Python framework versions 3.11. Here you can lib, and here side packages. Where's side packages? No. Python 3 side packages. Here's side packages, and here with Allosaurus, go to the AM, to the utils, open the utils, and in line 80 here you can try to type in, let's start it again, this LipTalk autoconverter. Quickly, I don't know the parameter. Okay, let's start this and let's what it does. Okay, here it shows so let's copy this. Waits only true. So we have to type in here waits only is true, and I don't know what, file save, and okay, maybe it works now better. If this is not working, don't mind it, it works anyways. So launch it, select the auto file, convert it. Now it shows no errors anymore. You can see it was just a parameter which was set false in the old model of the Allosaurus. We have to do that. It's just for Macintosh users, it's not in for Windows users. It's also for Windows users. So you can see there's no more any error showing up. So this is the only method how you can get this autoconverter run on the Macintosh systems. So download the source files, unpack this model file, put it into a pre-trained model, and navigate to the here side packages, and there you can find Allosaurus, and here you have to drag, copy and paste this pre-trained folder. Here, if you delete this pre-trained folder, here, if you do not delete, if you try now to convert it, you can see it doesn't work because you can find the folder here. You can see here if I open it here with a Python launcher, load the audio file, try to convert it. What the fuck? Try to convert it here. So you can see file not found error. You can find the module. So you have, this step is really crucial. Yeah, simply copy it here, the pre-trained, and that's it. Okay, that was everything. I prepare now a new update for the audio converter, so it works later for with also with MP3 files, and I will release an update for the LipTalk plugin itself with a new parameter, the attack parameter. So see you soon, and yeah, hope you had fun, and goodbye.